Yo guys, what's up? I'm gonna turn Dragon Slayer 15 stars. I'm gonna turn Dragon Slayer 15 stars. So guys, let's start. Guys, please don't mind. So guys, let's start. What's this? Cook shit. Damn! I hope we gonna win, guys. Today, let's start. Damn! I almost died. Lol. Nice, bro. Destroyed the red's bed. Let's start. Let's go. Skibby walk. Let's get full set. Yo. Let's start. Let's restart. Restart, guys. Restart. Now I'm gonna turn Dragon Slayer 15. Tama. I think the way I keep playing is I got bad and bad rolls. Mga dog. Vincent Mara. He stole the bed. Really? Nah, this monkey. Bro, this monkey sucks. Sorry. Nah, dog. Nah, you ain't gonna cook with that Dragon Ball, boy. You ain't cooking. Because you ain't cooking, right? Okay. I got my one burp. Yeah, bro. Really? Obstacle. This dude's sick, man. So. Oh, damn. No. In trouble. Turn me into blood core. Yo, today. Yo, finally, guys. See you tomorrow. Sorry, guys.